It's May 5th, 2026. The Greyster's taken like 10 baths in a row today. Good boy, Gracie. What a good boy. You're such a good boy. This is like, good boy, Gracie. May 5th, 2026. Look at him go. Good boy. Way to go, Greyster. Oh boy, oh boy. It is on May 5th, May 5th. Oh, Gracie. Gracie's taking a bath. Gracie, why are they chasing? Come on over. Brood, Gracie, just come on my lap and then he won't chase you. Oh, Gracie wants to. This is his like fourth bath. Good boy. So awesome. We are so grateful. May 5th, 2026. Good boy, Greyster. I love you so much.